Okay, we're about to feed Cynder right now. We got a little mouse right here for her, and she's right here in this box. And here's a pencil so you can tell how big she is, because someone was saying that she's not a baby, so there's the pencil. I'll show you next to it. But she's probably going to eat pretty quick, so let's hope we get this. Alright, just a second. Alright, she's ready. Here we go. There you go. And see, look here. That's the pencil. Or here, down next to her. So she's maybe like a little bit thicker than the pencil. I mean, it's not in the box, but here. There, no, it's right next to her. So you can get a real feel for how big she is. She's still small. She's not a big snake. She's almost a year old, I guess. A couple months. Going from the butt end, it looks like. Looks like she can't get her mouth over that foot. I don't usually watch her eat. I usually just close the box, then look at her later. She's never coiled around her food yet, still. I don't know why, but she hasn't. I don't know if she will. And she doesn't need to, it's dead already anyways, but she is a lot quicker. Before I had to like tease her with it until she got it. Now she just goes for it right away. Looks like she's getting down now. Got the foot in her mouth, working her way. And we're almost done. And it's down. At least it's in her neck now. It's down. It's not outside her mouth anymore. Alright, there you go. Talk to you guys later. Bye.